Today I'm going to show you a beautiful 1959 Ford Ranch Wagon. This has $180,000 invested, 2-year restoration, cold air, has a Mustang 2 front suspension, and today we're going to give you guys comprehensive details on why you should put this in your garage. If you have any questions, click on the link below, full underside shots and a gallery. Let's do it. Let's give this beautiful wagon a rating. I would rate this one an 8 out of 10. That's an 80% out of 100. It is extremely beautiful, but it has been used. So there are minor imperfections. Some of the rubbers on the back glass have imperfections. And I want you guys to click on the link below to see the galleries because we showcase every single panel. There's probably gonna be about 400 photos of this machine. Front fascia is very nice. I like how they painted the grille and bumpers to match the actual paint theme. This has, once again, 180,000 plus in restoration. 2 years, it was restored for a doctor. Body lines. So when you're looking down the driver's side body, it's extremely nice. You can see my reflection in this metallic green paint. This does have, I would say, a UM theme because of the color combination with the orange striping. You have a nice set of chrome Bose wheels with no pitting. You do have a Fat Man fabrication front end. So what that means is you have a Mustang 2 front end Mustang 2 front end steering components that allows for great drivability. You have a rack and pinion, etc. Updated brakes throughout, so you have disc brakes front and rear, and this thing drives fantastic. We drove it on the highway after getting it serviced at Keith's Rods and Customs. So what we did with this one is we sent it over to have a complete service. We have the receipt. I think we put about $3,500 into it to replace bushings, etc., to make sure that it's turnkey for you. This has a 460 Ford crate motor, produces 510 horsepower. That's a lot of power. Even though this thing's big, that's a lot of power. You have a March pulley setup, which we'll go over later on when we open up the hood. You have no door handles, but you do have hidden poppers throughout. So you have a popper that's actually inside of here. And then also, the back doors have poppers that are inside. So you can click the buttons underneath the dash. We'll show you everything while we go into details with this one. Top of the roof, beautiful condition. That green is metallic, and look at how it shines in the sun. All of your trim is very nice. They painted all of the actual window trim to match the color combination, and I love it. All your windows operate once again. You have a staggered setup with these Bose wheels, so bigger in the back. And I want you guys to click on the link below to see the underside shots. Come back here. So looking at the rear section, you have beautiful dual exhaust. We're gonna leave this sticker here for the next owner. What this tells you is there's a kill switch underneath here, so I can flip, go under. Let me see if I can see it. There's a switch right here for the battery. So you can grab it. Am I missing it? Here it is. And turn it on. You can hear that click. This also does have a complete haywire wiring harness. What that means is every single wire is numbered and colored. So if you ever have an issue with electrical, you can actually go and look at the pamphlet that's included with the sale, and you can trace it back and figure it out. It's not just something that was put together and they figured it out as they went on. Passenger side is very nice. Look at the body lines. I mean, this is nice and tight. They're all even throughout. If you do a side profile shot, beautiful. Looking at the top section of the glass for the front windscreen, very nice. All the rubber is good. And this was in the rain with no issues. No water got inside. I'm gonna open up the rear section and some of the doors so you can see how beautiful it is. If you want, I'll pop yours right now. Look at this. So you have a complete bucket setup with ostrich. The interior is very nice. I love the center section, how it flows through the rear. You have your ignition switch right here, and then your buttons for your actual doors. You can hear the locks and unlocks. Also, I'm gonna leave notes in here so you know how to operate all the equipment. This does have vintage air, it's very cold. I love the actual speedometer here. So it's a digital speedometer, digital tachometer, Everything showcases nicely. When you turn the key on, you're gonna see that it illuminates nicely and the air conditioner starts to blow. Updated stereo, that sounds fantastic with custom gauge or custom speaker pods in the front. Look at the headliner. It matches the whole entire motive of the exterior, and it's all in Alcantara, just beautiful. Her shifter, let me pop the rear door for you so you can see back here. Look at how beautiful the rear section is. Once again, color combination rolls all the way through the actual interior. Beautiful. Light works in the top right here and right here. And let's open up the rear hatch. Push the button to open it. To open the rear hatch, you're gonna lift up right here. It'll lock and then open up. Carpet condition, extremely nice. So you have this beautiful sign that's included with the sale. This goes over all of the actual components, and every component, like the paint, the interior, the leather, the ostrich inserts, the transmission, which is a C6, you have a 9-inch rear end. The list goes on. We have a lot of paperwork that we're gonna include with the sale. Look at all the bright work throughout. This is all chrome, shows nicely. Inside here, you actually have the ability to raise and lower or adjust the air shocks in the back, and you have a little gauge right here. I love that. Speaker pods throughout, gorgeous piece. Let's close it. It closes nicely. And what really brought me to this vehicle is how unique it is. Where do you see another wagon that's like this? You don't. You bring this to a car show with your family and have some fun. Let's pop the hood. So you have power seats throughout, up, down motion, going rear. Your release is right here. This is where all the buttons are for your actual components. So the rear hatch, your doors, your cooling system, and then you have a little light here that tell you that the fans are running. To open the latch, you just pull right there. This will also indicate which drive you're in. So when you turn the car on, it'll tell you if you're in drive, reverse, etc. I love it. I love the steering wheel. I love everything about this car. Doors close nicely. Underneath the hood is the fun part. So you have a crate 460 SVO head. You do have full exhaust. You can see the suspension throughout. We put brand new bushings on the control arms recently. You have an aluminum radiator, and look at the top of the hood with all the mirrors so you can actually see it at a car show. It's beautiful. Paint goes in throughout the body. This is a cool piece. Let's close it. What do you say we jump inside and take it for a test drive? I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, please be sure to click like and subscribe below. Listen to this thing sing. Oh yeah. Come on, let's go for a test drive. Oh, this thing drives great. All right, we're taking the 59 out, and I'm sure you're noticing that my windows are up. We have ice cold air conditioning. We have an infotainment system, which is fantastic. You can flip this up. You can also put it back away too if you want to. I'll leave it open for right now. Radio sounds great. All of my gauges. So this gauge cluster is my favorite for a hot rod. You have your controls down here for your cooling system, your door poppers, etc. Your center section houses your start, and then your key switch is right here to pop the doors. Seats are very, very comfortable, and they are adjustable, so I can actually put them at a better position, lean myself back a little bit, and push it back. Windows operate, so your windows do operate. Your controls for the rear windows are actually in the back, and they do operate. We're gonna jump on Marina Mile right now, get you guys some beautiful outside shots. And let you decide if you want to put this hot rod in your garage. A lot of power from that motor. Nice and smooth. Great oil pressure, 68 pounds of oil pressure. Water temperature goes from 210 to 190 constant, so I think it has a 190 thermostat is what I'm assuming. Running down the road nicely. Nice and quiet. Radio does operate once again. So you have that. You can also close it if you want to. Inside cabin noise is not bad at all. There is sound deadening. And then also you have the ability to adjust your rear shocks. Those are air shocks in the back, so you can put more pressure in there if you have more weight, etc. Right now, cruising over the Marina Mile Bridge. We are centrally located in South Florida, so we're 5 minutes from the Fort Lauderdale Airport and right next to 595, 95, and the Turnpike. Going over bumps, no issues at all. And listen to it. Oh yeah. Drives nicely. I want you guys to look at the invoice. We just put about $3,900 into the suspension and going through it to ensure that it is turnkey for you. So what we do here is we either disclose that there's an issue or we tell you what we fixed. In regards to this one, it has a custom wiring harness, over 2 years for the restoration, and brakes feel fantastic. We're gonna give it some gas here, see how it does. Steering's nice and easy. It does have power steering, power brakes. Ready? Oh, it sounds great. Nice and smooth. You have your controls here for your lights. And then I believe I don't know what this one is. That's your lights. What we're gonna do now is take a right here. We're gonna go over our signature bumps so you can see how the suspension reacts. We're going over the bridge right now. And my favorite part is gonna be the air conditioning because it is 98 degrees today here. It's August, it's hot. I love the interior layout with all of the Alcantara up top. The paint color just pops in the sun. Braking is very, very even. Taking a corner here, nice and smooth. Transmission downshifts properly. We're going over our first set of bumps. No issues. Here comes our big dip. Let's see if anything happens here. Nice and smooth. Once again, if you guys have any questions at all, give us a call at 954-363-2261. I'm out of here. This thing is awesome.